Alright guys, so I'm here at Fry's house. This guy never offers me anything at his house, so I'm gonna see what he brings out. It's probably gonna be like water or something, or some old stuff that he has laying in his refrigerator. So let's see what he brings out.
What's up guys, in my kitchen right now. So right now M4 Edwin wants something to drink because he just finished all of his dunking. So, you know, being the nice friend I am, I'm gonna get him some Arizona. You feel me, guys? Like we gotta take care of our friends. We gotta make sure they drinking good. Gotta make sure, you know, they're well thirsty, you know.
Yeah, I fucking knew it, bro.
You want something to drink, right?
This dude didn't even empty out my cup. He put a drink inside my cup.
Why you vlogging when I'm vlogging?
And it's warm.
So you're not even gonna say thank you? Like I got you juice.
Yo, I hate you so much.
Will you? You're not gonna drink it? This bum ass nigga had a Civic just like me. Now he rolling around in this 4 Series. Like,
Can you give me some ice?
what do I look like? McDonald's?
Alright, so for the first, oh, what did you break? Alright, so this is what he gives me. Just this mixed in with my coffee and my old ass ice. Still good though, I ain't gonna lie. What's going on, guys? Always in motion here. Edwin from Always in Motion. J1 Fraz from whatever. Alright, so today I'm back with another video. As a part 2, I guess, to my 5 things I hate about my M4. So there's gonna be, I guess, 5 things I love about my M4.
Fuck off. You come here every day and take videos. Hang out with me.
Oh my god, here we go.
Hit me up when you're a good friend.
Number 1, love the design of the mirrors. The styling that they have on the mirrors is actually beautiful. I love the flare right here, the little winglets. And I know a lot of M cars now come with it. I know the new M5, the F90 does, X5M, X6M. M2 competition actually comes with those mirrors now, so that's pretty cool. Because I really like the M2. So yeah, so that's another plus. It's crazy. We're getting that Florida weather up in New Jersey. About this car, which is number 2, is the color of it. The Austin yellow color that comes on the M4s, M3s, and now in a lot of other M models, which is specifically an M color. You can't get this on a, well, I'm not sure if you could or not. You probably could, to be honest, because BMW is cool nowadays. So what I love about it is the Austin yellow color. Specifically, I wanted this color. I didn't want no other color on this car, and I got to get it. So there it is. It's just an amazing color to have, and it stands out. Another thing I love about the car is the headlights. I got the LED headlights, and they move up and down, side to side, and you actually see them moving when you're driving, which is awesome. And the LED blinker on the side is also another plus. This is probably number 4 or 3. I think this is 4. 4. So number 4 that I love about this car is all the working vents. All the vents that show on this car are real functional vents. So here, as you can see, this is the side vents, and you can see my fingers on the other side. Has a little slit right here. All functional as well. This is open. You stick your finger in. Stick my finger in, and you can see it on this side. So they're all functional. So that's another thing I love about the car. None of the vents are fake. At least this one has every vent that's functional, and it's amazing. Everything actually works on the car. Number 5 is gonna be all the carbon fiber this car comes with from factory. Has a carbon roof. Has a carbon fiber trim on the inside. Carbon fiber over here. Carbon fiber in the center console. Strut brace on the engine bay is carbon fiber. I don't know if I should add this part of the carbon fiber, but I added this. This doesn't come with the car, but you could get this part of the car, and also a rear diffuser in carbon fiber, and the front splitters in carbon fiber. So those are 5 quick things that I love about my car. Of course, the driving experience is great.
Car's out of warranty. Don't fuck.
I guess that's pretty much it on this video. This is a part 2 to my everything I hate about it. Like, comment down there, or subscribe, and just hit that little bell thing if you want to see what I'm uploading. Besides liking the comments. Oh, but we go to the gym, right?
Okay, I was
But
hungry.
we go to the gym. This is the guy, man. This guy. This is a cheat day. It's cheat day every day for you. Besides liking the video, commenting down below, and subscribing, make sure to follow me at M4Edwin on Instagram, and follow EJ1Fraz to follow some more stuff on his builds and those things that he does. I'm trying to force him to post more. He doesn't really post much, and his photography, he also doesn't post none of that. I don't know why. Oh, but yeah, that's it, man. See you guys later. Peace.